Okay, so how are you today, Asher? We're making a movie about Asher and Grandma. Asher is 2. How old is 2? Hey, this many. Okay, the interview is now all about Asher, sitting on the couch thinking he's funny. Are you making a funny face? What kind of face is that? That was a silly face. Whoa, you're gonna better settle down. Whoa, you're gonna. Okay, so he's getting rather close to the edge of the couch. So Grandma's sitting here going, right? Now we do the Asher lay it down. You're pretty funny. Hey. We're still making our movie. We're still making our movie. You have a girlfriend? Are you wearing yourself out making all these movies? That's why I told you Steven Spielberg makes all the big money.